Baby, please, now don't leave me, please. Please, eh? If you leave me now, I will commit suicide, please.
Then go ahead, your mates have been doing it.
Baby, please, eh? You are the love of my life.
I just took the life.
Me, please, eh? You know you are my queen, oh, you are my queen.
That kingdom has scattered.
Scope it, please, now, please, baby, please, now, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. Whoever thought this day would come? She finally left. It's not even up to 2 weeks we are dating. I spent the millions of naira. Bye bye, oh, bye bye. God has done marvelous.
You love me too much, oh.
Is this hungry for me? I'm hungry.
My brother, come and join me, oh.
Just hold it there. Join your regular diet. Bro, please talk to me now. Auntie, say something.
I want you heard.
About what?
About how Matt ethnic clothing store.
Is that a name of vehicle?
My brother, if you are not informed, you are deformed.
Please tell me more about these things.
It's an unlike living company that deals with fresh food, drinks, tropical sauces, seasonings, and even snacks.
Okay.
Let me shock you.
Fire me.
They tactically deliver within 48 hours.
I cannot wait to. Hungry will just kill me before then.
You know what? Just go place your order, come to my apartment, we'll share some of mine.
There's love in sharing, no.
There's peace in eating alone. I need one.
Yeah, him. But how can I get these things?
Just go to Google, search almat.co.uk. They'll deliver to your doorstep.
Very good. Thank you for this great information.
Go place your order.